Today, we're talking about a common but highly contagious respiratory illness in dogs, canine cough, also known as kennel cough. Stay with us for symptoms, causes, treatment, and prevention tips you can't miss. Canine cough, or kennel cough, is an upper respiratory infection, much like the human cold. It's caused by a combination of viruses and bacteria, most commonly Bordetella bronchoseptica and canine parainfluenza virus. These pathogens inflame the dog's trachea and bronchi, making it hard for your furry friend to breathe and resulting in that dry, honking cough. It spreads easily in places where dogs gather, kennels, dog shows, daycares, or even grooming centers. It's airborne, spread through coughing and sneezing, and can also be chest x-rays, blood tests, tracheal swabs to identify the pathogen. For mild cases, rest and supportive care at home is enough, just like is fighting off a cold. For more serious cases, vets may prescribe antibiotics, like doxycycline, cough suppressants, anti-inflammatories, steam therapy or humidifiers. Keep your dog in a stress-free, warm environment and make sure they drink plenty of water. Dog looking very weak, slow breathing. In rare cases, especially for puppies or senior dogs, the infection can progress to pneumonia. Look for labored breathing, high fever, or severe lethargy. These require immediate veterinary attention. Dogs getting vaccinated, cleaned kennels, isolated sick dog. Checkmark keep vaccinations up to date, Bordetella, parainfluenza, etc. Checkmark avoid contact with sick dogs. Checkmark maintain hygiene in boarding or daycare setups. Checkmark strengthen your dog's immunity with proper diet and care. Vet with a smiling dog, clinic logo, subscribe animation. Canine cough is common but very manageable. Just stay alert to early symptoms, isolate if needed, and follow your vet's advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share with fellow pet parents. Don't forget to subscribe to Supervet Veterinary Hospital for more expert pet care videos.